So it's time for real adventure again. Have you ever thought you could end up alone, travelling on trails through the mountains towards Kosovo, getting lost, getting stuck and finding a golden church? Well, here we are.
Nobody here. Right, I'm officially checked out. I'm back on the road, people, and I'm enjoying every day. I can't even remember starting a day at 21 degrees. It's nice and fresh. I should pass the church with a golden roof. I definitely want to check this out. Oh yeah, there it is. Wow. So, that lady here just told me that's a Serbian Orthodox church. I always appreciate it when people make an effort to keep everything in order. I mean, come on, you know, if that belongs to your family, you take some pride, don't you? That's a real little gem. I'm excited. Filming there? It is amazing. Wow.
It's amazing.
That is amazing. Check this out. Wow. That's for the women over there. That's for Frauen? No, oh, keine Frauen. Keine Frauen. No women over there, yeah. Kann ich mal schauen? Kann ich mal schauen? Thank you. A man darf. A man can go in there. Check this out. Beautiful. Sometimes you are lucky and blessed. Really you are. What a beautiful place. This area is only for men. No women are allowed here. Right, time to move on. Also, vielen Dank nochmal. Thank you very much. I'm going on my way. Thank you.
Habe ich hier dieses Wasser?
Das Wasser hier ist
Sehr sauber.
sehr sauber. Okay. Well, I fill up my bottles then. That water from here, because it comes straight off the mountain and it's super clean. Well, nothing better than filling up my bottles. Let's just test it. There's definitely no chlorine in it. Right, let's get on our way. The thing I figured out, what that lady told me was, actually, they built this, her family built a church in 2015, so it's not that old. Let's face it, that is pretty cool, right? Who builds a church? It's fantastic. What a beautiful backcountry. Ow! Oh, okay. The road's getting more interesting now. No way. This is hard work. It really is. These woods here are beautiful. Come on, I mean, there's nothing better than riding like this. You have to give it some welly with that thing. Oh, man. No idea where this one come from. Tell you one thing, there are some marks on this building. There are too many bullet marks in that building. And just keep my nose out. Wow, beautiful. You know, you come across things here if you're off the beaten track. I think I will just park up here for a minute and check this out a little bit more. I'm still on my way to Kosovo. The roads are a little bit of a, I don't want to say a challenge, well they are. But you know what? It is just the most amazing country. I think the road will go on like that for a while. It's not too bad. It was worth further down. I find this really exhilarating when you are in this kind of backcountry. I mean, that is not a light bike, but it handles all that beautifully. I'm made up. I'm absolutely made up. What an adventure. What a adventure. I came from there and I have to go up there. It's time to move on, even this place is so nice. But I have to go. I have a long way to go through these mountains. That will take a while. Let's go. I don't like that loose mud. Mud is not fun with the luggage on it because, you know, you just slide along like crazy. Oh, I have tarmac again. Oh, I got it wrong. I got it wrong, didn't I? It wants me to turn around. No. Oh, it's this one here. It did put me back on tarmac, but nah. Rather do the rest of that trail. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Let's work our way down. Nearly took a wrong turn here. Ah, we're going up again. Okay. Rocks and more rocks, but I prefer that to mud, especially when you have a lot of luggage on your bike. You have to give it some welly. Oh God, jeez, the rain cloud's coming in. I better get out of here. Would be nice if it starts going down. I don't want to be stuck up here in the rain. Oh man. Well, someone protects the mountain from falling down. That looks promising. I maybe go. Jesus, ow, forgot. I only have my jeans on. The worst is gone now. No, you're not telling me to turn around. I think I missed something. Oh, bummer. No, that is not good. Going downhill is a good thing. It's a sure sign you get out of a mountain. Oh, man. Whoop. This is fun, apparently. Okay, now there are houses, so there has to be a way of getting out of here. Okay, this is the road I came before. and it wants me to go back to this one. There's no way I'm heading down this way. So I'm back on tarmac. I'm coming down now. I think I'm finally down. Okay, I checked my map. I have to go right here now. Right, I messed up. Now, this mountain escapade got me on the wrong side of the mountain. I have to change my plan and go towards a place called Rozace. That's closer to the Kosovo border, because I'm still about 80 miles away. So yeah, that didn't work out as I expected it, but you know, if you ride trails, it can happen that you end up on the wrong side of the mountain and then you have to go all the way around. It's just the way it goes.